How to fix notifications not working in iOS 18. So if your notifications aren't working on iOS 18, there could be a couple of reasons as to why this is happening. First, make sure that you have not enabled the do not disturb mode or anything like that, because when you enable those type of options, you will not receive notifications. Also, try to check if the notifications is enabled in settings. So open up settings app, then simply go to the option that says notifications and tap on it. Here you can check if you have enabled notifications. If you're looking for a certain app notification, let's say for Facebook, make sure you've allowed notifications for the Facebook app and check if that is all enabled. You can also try to check for notifications for many different apps over here, and you can try to show the previews. You can show them on the display as stack, list, or as a count based on what you want. If these are not working for you, go to General, then scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Go to Reset and reset all settings. Don't worry, this will not erase the data, but it will reset the settings if you've customized them, which will also reset the app preferences. You can also try to restart your device to see if that helps you solve the problem. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.